Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to flip text in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square blank template. Now let's add a new text to my new template. Now to flip this text in Canva, just go to share, click on see all, then click on copy to clipboard. Wait a moment, then click again on copy to clipboard and wait a second. As you can see, your design has been copied to your clipboard. Now let's delete the old text, or you can keep it. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. To paste your old texts in Canva, just click on Command V if on Mac or Control V on PC. Now this is your old text, and it is no more text, it's a new image, or it is pasted in a photo format. Now simply click on flip, and you can flip it horizontally like that, or vertically like that. And this is how to flip a text in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.